Do you have anything else to say, Counselor?
No, Your Honor.
Case is dismissed.
If you're afraid to speak up and you're afraid to fight, get started practicing. This man is a pro. He's in there every day. This little minnow just swam into the big fish water, and he's hungry, and he's going to eat you alive. You see, the issue is the judge is important. He's big and he's mean, and he can slam you right in the can. So I'll push him up just where he's about to come up, and I'll go, all right, all right. This guy opens his mouth, shut up.
He's done it. I mean,
what it is
right.
Get in there, stab him down. The judge goes, stab and retreat, stab and retreat, stab and retreat.
Very good, Scott.
Very good.
Is there any way to appear other than the defendant? Is there any other way to appear other than?
Without being an attorney, is there any other way to appear than being a defendant?
You're not a defendant until the plea's been entered.
You mean, we're talking criminally or civilly?
Either way.
Yeah, either way.
Or on criminal.
It seems like that's what the.
That's a plea. A plea is only entered in criminal.
Right.
The big hang up here just keeps us in.
Well,
actually, it's plaintiff and respondent.
I'm thinking that in my context of the way I do it, I'm going to simply state so that I can get on to the next issue. I'm not going to hang up there on what's my name. Okay? I'm going to get past that issue and I'm going to get to the claim issue. Okay? Because I really don't care which position they want to take. If I'm the debtor, I have no money. If I'm the creditor, they have no claim. Which way you want to go? Okay? Yes, sir.
If you answer, if you state an affirmative defense in your answer that you have your UCC 1.
Could you use the microphone up here, please?
Come on down. You're the next contestant.
If you state in your affirmative answer that you have a superior claim and you present evidence of your UCC 1 filing, isn't that a matter that you can ask for a judgment on in your pleadings and not even have to go through the court appearance?
We always ask, but we always go. Okay, because in other words, the courtroom is a replacement for the dueling field, and he who leaves the field of battle first loses. Okay, so you can put in the paper and you can put those things in, but you got to go to court and back it up.
So once you've answered and you've been scheduled for a hearing, that's when you would ask whether or not you would ask the plaintiff whether or not they have a claim against you.
That's exactly right.
And then you would refer to your UCC 1 filing.
That's correct.
And ask for the order of the court.
That's right.
And then you're done.
And when this guy talks, you do just like Scott said. Say, hey, listen, where's your claim? What are you doing here? Who are you? Do you have a claim against me? No. Where's your client? Does he have a claim against me? Where is it? Where's your power of attorney for that client?
Bring your client forward.
That's right.
Do the clients ever show up for these trials?
No. The bank can't show up for the trial, and neither can the state of Oregon.
What if if you have a representative of the bank show up, what do you do?
The representative is the attorney. Now, we had a case back in New York where the lawyer was there and the representative from the bank was there, and when they tried to bring the representative of the bank onto the witness stand, the defendant in the case said, what is your name? Do you have a claim against me? Because you see, when you ask that witness, what is your name, that witness gives his private name. So if you're the bank's, may I have your name, please? And you give me your name, and I say to him, do you have a claim against me? What does he have to say? No.
He as an individual doesn't have a claim
That's
against
right.
you. But doesn't he, as representing the bank, have a...
Who is the bank?
The bank is a corporation, the bank is a fictitious person, and a fictitious person cannot exist.
That's right. So now he has a
He's
problem.
a straw man for the bank.
Well, but does that straw man have a claim?
He can't.
He can't.
So then
You can go through every stockholder there, and nobody has a claim.
Okay. So then you ask for the order of the court,
That's right.
saying that there's no controversy here.
You've accepted the matter for value.
Right.
The bank
No.
refused to take your acceptance of the matter and adjust your account under public policy.
So you ask for judgment?
I'm asking for the order of the court, Your Honor, be released to me. They
And-
failed to state a claim upon which relief can be granted.
And so if the judge declines to do that, then you appeal this
Then-
matter?
Then I'm going to ask the judge, do you have a claim against me? If he's going to say over here, well, I believe they do have a claim, well, Your Honor, are you impartial in this matter? Or are you a stockholder in this matter? You have stock in this bank, Your Honor?
And you're asking for the remedy?
I'm asking for my remedy. Why is the judge taking that position? Okay? Did that help any?
The term "for the record," I haven't heard it up here, and I heard its importance. When would you use the term "for the record"?
Only after jurisdiction has been established with the court.
Yeah, I use the term "for the record" when I want to make sure that this, whatever I'm going to say, is on the record. If I'm going to make a specific record, and I don't want there to be any mistake about what I'm saying, for the record, Your Honor, here's my claim. Or for the record, Your Honor, such and such and such and such. I don't do it all the time, but when I want to make my statement, that's when for the record, so there's no misunderstanding. In other words, if you're making a statement for the record, you have the floor.
For the
Okay.
record, the plaintiff did not appear.
That's right.
And no one can interrupt you during your time.
That's right. You have the floor, and if somebody interrupts you, you say, I have the floor, shut up. Okay?
If the judge says, strike that from the record, I'm going to consider that the plaintiff did appear, then you jump on the judge. Excuse me, are you impartial?
That's right.
Where is the plaintiff? This man claims to be the representative of the plaintiff. He has no power of attorney, no standing, and he can't prove who he is. Now, there's a claim against me, and I demand that the plaintiff be brought forward immediately and cite the charges to you, sir, and me. If they can't do that, you do have my paperwork.
That's right. And he who has the best paperwork wins.
Collateralizing America with Sam Davis. Part 10.
Excuse me, who are you?
I'm Assistant U.S. Attorney Davis.
Do you have a claim against me?
Well, as a U.S. Attorney, Assistant U.S. Attorney and representing the United States of America, I certainly do.
You have a claim against me.
In that capacity, I certainly do.
Your Honor, I have paperwork I would like to give to you here.
Then what's the nature of that
Your Honor, I
paperwork?
object.
Your Honor, I'm here by special visitation as the secured party in this matter, and I would like to hand you my
Well,
paperwork.
if you give that to the bailiff. Now, the nature of this paperwork, would you brief me on that?
I am here by special visitation. I am the secured party in this matter.
The secured party and your name, sir?
My name is Arthur Patterson, upper and lowercase letters.
The secured party.
Yes, sir.
I see.
Your Honor, I don't have any of that paperwork that you have benefit of, and
Do you have-
I'm going to have a copy of that, Your Honor.
Do you have
Your
a
Honor,
copy of it?
I would like to know who this gentleman is and if he has a claim against me and if he has power of attorney for anybody that does allegedly have a claim against me.
Against you as the secured party?
Yes, sir.
Well, this complaint that is laying on the desk up here is a complaint against not against you. You're the secured party.
Well, then I
From
don't
what I
believe there's
see
any
here.
controversy here, Your Honor. I'd like to know why I'm here. Do you have my remedy?
Well, I'm wondering why you're here. I mean, this was a complaint against,
Your Honor,
Mr. So-and-so, but you're a third party.
Your Honor, if I may.
Can you please be quiet? I'm speaking with the
Your
judge.
Honor,
I
I
have the
don't even know
floor.
what you have in front of you. This man has given you papers.
Sir, do you have a claim against me?
Yes, I told you I did.
May I see the claim?
Do you have a copy of his claim?
Give him a piece of paper and then tell him to identify himself.
Your Honor, is this representative of the
Can you please
paperwork?
identify yourself?
I've already done that, Your Honor. I think this is absurd.
Well, now, you have his claim. Does he have a copy of
Do
yours?
you have power of attorney?